Want to scrape any website without coding or maintenance headaches? Today I'll show you how to do web scraping with n8n, an AI agent, and Decodo's web scraping API. The prerequisites for this are an n8n account, an OpenAI or other AI chat model, a web scraping API subscription, and a Google account. First, go to n8n.io and sign in. Click on Create Workflow to create an empty canvas. Then let's add the first step. n8n templates must have triggers and actions. Triggers are something you do to start a chain of actions to get the result you want. For triggers, let's select On Chat Message, but this can be anything you want. Then click on a plus sign and in the search bar, type AI agent and add it. For AI agents to function correctly, it's essential to provide instructions on how to utilize the project's tools. In the pop-up window, select Add Option and System Message. Then specify that you want to use the Decodo web scraper for data collection and Google Sheets to save the data. You can pause the video to copy example instructions or generate your instructions with an AI chat model. Once done, return to the canvas. Next, click on the chat model and choose your preferred option. We will use OpenAI as an example. In a pop-up window, you'll need to add your OpenAI credentials. To get them, open a new tab and go to platform.openai.com and sign in. Click on Dashboard and API Keys. Select Create New Secret Key, name it, and click Create Secret Key. Copy the API key and go back to n8n. Under Credential to Connect With, click Create New Credential and in the API Key text box, paste your key. Hit Save. Return to the canvas and add the AI agent's memory node. You can choose anything you want, but for this tutorial, we'll use simple memory. Now for tools, we'll add a Decodo scraping node. Type Decodo in the search bar and click on the result. Note that if it's your first time using this node, you'll have to install it. Under Credential to Connect With, click Create New Credential. In a new tab, go to the Decodo dashboard and log in. Under Scraping APIs, head to Web Advanced. At the top of the page, you'll see the basic authentication key. Copy it and head back to n8n. Paste the authentication key and click Save. Last, let's add the Google Sheets node. Click on a branch spanning from the AI agent and search for the Google Sheets tool. Then choose Append Row. Create a new credential and log in with your Google account. Then open another tab and create a Google Sheets document in your Google Drive. Back in n8n Google Sheets tool settings, choose your document and sheet where you want your data to be placed. For mapping column mode, select Map Automatically. Return to the canvas and save your setup. Now let's test the scraper. Open the chat and type a command for your AI agent. In a moment, you'll see the output in both your chat log and a Google Sheet. And just like that, you've built an AI-driven web scraping automation. Feel free to experiment with different trigger or action nodes to find the setup that suits your needs. Want to test Decodo scraper node yourself? Try Web Scraping API for free with the link below.